Hello everyone. In previous video we have discussed about slope intercept form and intercept form. In today's video we shall discuss about some problems of the concept intercept form and slope intercept form. In that the first question is find the equation of a line intercept in the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin with the slope is equal to -2. See here we have to use the slope intercept form. In that they are given x-intercept as well as the slope. The slope -2. Slope means what here? M is equal to -2. That is your slope. Also they are given x-intercept. Observe here x-intercept at a distance 3 units. We have two sides. One is the left side from the origin, one is the other one is the right side from the origin. Here in that the x-axis and y-axis, the x-intercept means point lies on the x-axis. Either it is left side or right side. They are given here at a distance of 3 units to the left from the origin. Left from the origin means obviously it is a negative side of the x-axis. Negative side means somewhere here. The distance from the origin to this point is 3 units, means this side is negative side as well as this point is exactly lies on the x-axis, means the coordinate of y is 0. Okay, this point is we have to take -3 not +3 because the left side of the origin means here all the points here the negative points. That's why the point is -3, 0. The line is passing through this point. You all learn this in slope intercept form. The line is passing through the only one point, that is -3 and 0, as well as they are given is m is equal to -2. Then here we have to use y is equal to m x minus d. X minus d, here where d is x-intercept. D is x-intercept. Here 3 units means we have to take here -3 because they are mentioned here the direction. Left of the origin means we have to take this one is a negative point. That is your -3. D is -3, m is -2. We have to put the value, these two values in this equation. You will get the equation of line. Y is equal to m is -2. X is as it is, minus sign is as it is, and minus d means -3. The next y is equal to -2, x as it is, minus into minus plus 3. Then y is equal to minus, multiply to this, -2 into x is -2x, minus into plus, -2 into 3 is 6. Our final equation is this -2x is goes to this side, it becomes +2x. This plus y is as it is, this -6 is goes to this side, it becomes +6 is equal to 0. The final equation of the line intercept the x-axis at a distance 3 unit with the slope is -2. The equation of the line is what? 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Next question is find the equation of a line intercept the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and making an angle 30 degree with a positive direction of x-axis. See here in the Cartesian plane they given y-intercept. Y is either it is above or else below. But here they are given above the origin at a distance 2 units. At a distance 2 units means somewhere here. This distance is 2 units. This point. if this point is lies on exactly on the y-axis, means obviously your coordinate, the x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is +2. Above the origin means it's a positive side, that's why 0, 2. It means the y-intercept they are given, y-intercept they are given what here, +2. Above the origin means we have to take the positive, and also they are given here angle. Angle means theta is equal to 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Here they are given inclination. Angle means what here? Inclination. Inclination, obviously you know that the above the x-axis towards the positive direction. Above the x-axis towards the positive direction means this side. Passing to this side, because this inclination is obviously 30 degree. 30 degree. Theta is 30 degree. Your y-intercept is 2. But we have to find the equation of the line, means here we need slope. Using this angle, first we have to find the slope. How to find the slope? By the definition of slope, m is equal to tan theta is there. Here they are given the angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. You all know that the tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. They are given here y-intercept. Using the angle, we got slope is equal to 1 by root 3. Y-intercept as well as slope means we have to use the slope intercept form in the first case formula, that is your y is equal to mx plus c, where this c is nothing but what? Y-intercept. This is c value. C is equal to 2. Here m is what here? M is 1 by root 3, means your y is equal to 1 by root 3 x. Here c is plus 2. Then you're rearranging this one, just cross multiplication this one, you will get x by root 3. This into this means 2 by root 3. This one is whole divided by cross multiplication. Root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3 plus x whole divided by root 3 y. Your final answer is again cross multiplication. Root 3 into y is root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. This implies the final answer is x. This term is goes to this side, that is your RHS side. It becomes minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is your equation of the line where y-intercept of the distance 2 units above the origin and making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction is x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Remember here, if they are given x-intercept, that is d, and if they are given as well as m, that is your slope, then you have to use this formula, y is equal to m x minus d. Here d is nothing but your x-intercept formula. If they are given y-intercept and m, that is slope, then you have to use y is equal to mx plus c, where this c is nothing but y-intercept, m is. So sometimes they will give either x-intercept or y-intercept, and indirectly they will give only angle. Only angle they are given, then I have to use first m is equal to tan theta formula. That is your definition of slope. Using angle, first we have to find the slope using this formula, m is equal to tan theta. You will get m values, then together this we have to use depending upon x-intercept or y-intercept. If they are given x-intercept, you have to use y is equal to m into x minus d formula. If they will give y-intercept, then you have to use y is equal to mx plus c formula. The next question is, find the equation of the line passing through the point -1, 1 and 2, -4. They are given only here 2 points. Means we have to use 2-point formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You all know this formula already. See here, they are given 2 points. 2 points is nothing but that is your x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. x1 comma y1 is nothing but -1 comma 1, x2 comma y2 is 2 comma -4. That is x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to -4. Remember that given point is nothing but x1 y1 and x2 y2. They are given only, if they are given only 2 points is nothing but we have to use here 2-point form method. That is, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Put this all values in this equation. That is the equation number 1. Y as it is minus y1 is there. Y1 value is where? Y1 is value is 1 is equal to y2 value is -4 and minus y1 value is +1 divided by x2 value is +2 minus x1 value is -1. Observe here, -1 into x minus, we have to put here x1 values again -1. Then next step is y minus 1 as it is equal to -4 minus 1, that is -5 divided by minus into minus plus means 2 plus 1 is 3. X minus into minus is +1. Next, this 3 goes to this side. It means LHS side. 3 into y minus 1 is equal to -5 of x plus 1. Multiplication. 3 into y. 3y minus 3 is equal to -5 into x is -5x minus into plus -5. Next step is rearranging this one. -5x goes to this side, means LHS side. It becomes +5x. This plus 3y is as it is, -3 is as it is, -5 goes to this side, +5 is equal to 0. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೆ, ಮತ್ತೇನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5 means value is +2 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Equation of the line passing through the -1, 1 and 2, -4. Answer is 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0.